Hello and welcome back to another How to Bloke. Now today I'm going to do something quickly, right? I'm going to do some French beans, haricots verts. That's right, haricots verts, these things. Now you could use fresh, I haven't got any, so I'm going to use frozen. Now you're going to need some garlic, if you like garlic. You're going to need some olive oil and a knob of butter, okay? So how much is this? This looks like 1 kilo, right. So we'll put most of 1 kilo in there for 4 people, right, so 750 grams thereabouts. You don't have to cook all of it, you can use 500 grams or if you've got other vegetables. But today, all I've got is the beans and the chicken. Now the chicken I've got here, look. The chicken, I've got a fabulous recipe for this, crispy chicken skin and all the rest of it, and I'll leave a link up in the top left there. Right, so get on with this then. So what you need is a pan, some sort of skillet or something, but it's got to have a lid. You've got to have a lid with this one. And you want some non-stick oil, it doesn't really matter, it's not going to stick anyway. Whether you use a wok or not, it's up to you, but it's got to have a lid. Right, so I'm just using this pan so the camera can see in there nice. Okay, so what you want is a drizzle of olive oil. Like this. How much in tablespoons? Two tablespoons, maybe no more than 2, like 3 is too much. We want a knob of butter. How big's a knob? 20 grams is a knob. So it's about that. That's 20 grams there. In that goes, wallop. Now we need some salt and pepper, like this, and we need some salt, 2 cloves of garlic there, or 1 big one, so in that goes, like that. The secret of this recipe is to cook it really slowly. Now that's the preparation. Now you could add some liquid seasoning there. I'm going to do this because the family likes this. It's not necessary, but the family likes it. The secret of this thing is it's really quick to prepare, isn't it? Like this, right? Now, what you got to do, trouble is, it takes a long time to cook. So what you want is to put it on the lowest setting, on your smallest ring, right? Let me get a lid. Right, so it goes on there like that. And it sits there for an hour. Oh, you stir it after half an hour, but it sits there for an hour. I haven't added any water to that because you don't need to. If you add water to it, it doesn't taste as good. The flavours don't develop as much. If you get some beans, you bung it in there, add some water to it. It's going to taste horrible. People are not going to like it. Look, it's been an hour. It's now 5:30. Let's have a look at these beans. Come over here, camera person. Right, this is what we got. Look at them beauties. Whoa. Now, if I had fresh beans, they taste even better, but frozen beans not so bad. Now, look at this though. Not limp at all. Try it. Lovely jubbly. And I hope you enjoyed that. Give it a go. Let me know how it goes. I've got some, let me see, cooking here, quick tips here, DIY things down there, and until next time.